Hey Saint, in this video I show you the best way to make an ice pack when traveling. My go-to for pain is ice. That's easy when you're at home, but what about when you're on the road? The gist is to pack a couple of heavy-duty Ziploc bags and then simply fill them with ice. If you want more, stay tuned. Here's what my trip looked like. Fill the bag about halfway. Flatten it and try to get as much air out as possible. Ta-da! If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. That's a wrap, and I'll see you next time.